Hello and welcome back friends, welcome to another video tutorial from Shomu's Biology, and this is going to be another mnemonics and trick video regarding the plant hormones and their functions. There are 5-6 different plant hormones, mainly 5 major plant hormones that we want to understand. You need to know the name of those hormones and also their respective important functions. So how exactly you remember them? To remember plant hormones, you need to know only few things, and the first thing that you need to know here is this: a cage where old aged dog is present, and the second thing, some ripe fruit. So it's kind of weird, the dog and ripe banana, but still it's a cage with aged dog and ripe banana. So if you know these two things, you can get to know the plant hormones within 5 minutes. So let's see how we can remember. So first thing that I should tell you, it's a story of a cage, and this is the table that we want to figure out. This is what you need to remember, because tables are hard to remember. So to make it simplified, we need to go with this list. And first look at a cage. Now what do we mean by this cage? Cage is a short form called a cage. A means auxin, C cytosine, A abscisic acid, G gibberellin, E ethylene. So this gives you the 5 important plant hormones that we are going to talk about. A cage, that's why we write a cage. So you need to know only one particular sentence, that a cage in Great Britain displays some aged dogs eating ripe fruit. It's weird that dogs are eating ripe fruit, but this is kind of a thing that you can picturize in your brain, which will be very important for you to remember. A cage in Great Britain displays some aged dogs eating ripe fruit. So go with a cage. We know all the 5 separate hormones. Now starts with the first one, G, obviously linked with auxin. So the function of auxin is starting with G, that is growth, the growth of the plant in terms of their height, both root as well as shoot. That's good. The second one, D. D is what? In this case, the second thing that we go with, D, is cytosine. What is the job of cytosine? Is division, cell division and differentiation. That's what the job of cytosine is. It allows the plant cell to divide and make more number of cells. So it in turn also causes the growth. So done. Then the third one, A, with abscisic acid. A stands for abscission or aging. That's why you said aged dog. And abscisic acid can cause plant to undergo aging process. That's what all about abscisic acid. Then G with D. What do you mean by this? G is gibberellin. D stands for dormancy, and it's actually breaking the seed dormancy of plants, which is also helping in seed germination. So think about it like this: D stands for dormancy, and we are talking about anti-dormancy causing hormone, that is gibberellin, which actually causes the anti-dormancy or the process of seed germination. Now the last one, ethylene, with the ripe fruit, because ethylene's job is to cause the fruit ripening. It's a gaseous hormone which will allow the fruit to be ripe and also has some role in flowering process as well. So now you not only know the 5 important plant hormones and also all their important functions, all within 5 minutes. And I hope you can solidly remember that by knowing this: a cage in Great Britain displays some aged dogs eating ripe fruit. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel to get more and more videos like that. Thank you.